So here's the big picture. I wanted to take just a moment to create something that everyone can get their head around and we can use with Tony's images, maps, etc. So think of it this way. Here we have the big picture of Iraq. We have the Battle of Fallujah, Ramadi, etc. And that's what this book is about. And so this is how we can incorporate images and text very easily and make something greater out of the book. So again, Ramadi, the capital of the vast Anbar Province, was the second major Iraqi city to fall to the Islamic State after the devastating loss of Mosul. So here's where, by using images and Tony's voice, we can do things like, and I just took these pictures off of Google, so don't get hung up on them. So for instance, here's my team. This was Group A. Here's my team in action day one. And, here's armor as it mounts up day one. Then, of course, we can have a map of map one of day one. And in this particular instance, what I'm trying to show are the various layers that we can add to maps to make things look and come alive. So, this is how our troop movements went, for example. And then we can spot in things like something like this, we'll just say life in the hot zone, on the run. Here comes help from the armor. And again, these can all be Tony's images and, the fact that people do get hurt. Then maybe we have map one, day two. And now we add some other characterizations in here, the enemy went this way or we went that way, etc. I think you guys are starting to get the picture. So now, the war hits home for both sides. And again, this is something that we can develop very easily, that Tony can narrate, call the color on, and I think provides a great deal more to the work. So again, I've created, again, the same map. People keep seeing things over and over, but now maybe our forces push back this way, for instance. And then